The GH750 DEI series of DC spring-loaded linear position sensors offer reliable, long-life operation utilizing LVDT linear variable differential transformer technology. GH750 DEI series LVDTs are versatile devices that are used in a wide range of commercial and industrial gauging applications, including laboratory R&D materials testing, industrial gauging test stands, and factory automation. The sensor shaft of the GH750 DEI series LVDT is spring-loaded and guided by a pair of precision sleeve bearings. These hermetically sealed sensors are constructed entirely of stainless steel and are resistant to dust, water, temperature, shock, and vibration. For the air extend option, the shaft is extended by introduction of a low-pressure air supply with a regulated flow through a 1/4-inch barbed fitting on the end of the unit. The GH750 series contains 3 body options to suit the needs of your application. Choose from the GH750 with an axial connector, the GHR750 with a right angle connector, or the air extended GHRA750 with a right angle connector. The GH750 DEI series is available in the following measuring ranges. These rugged DC LVDTs are built with internal amplifier electronics, so no external signal conditioner is required. The D series is internally amplified with a plus or minus 10 volts DC output. The E series is internally amplified with a 0 to 10 volts DC output, and the I series is internally amplified with a 4 to 20 milliamps output. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. Experienced application engineers are standing by to help solve your measurement challenges. For additional information, please visit our website at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.